for sightseeing.
Come to Japan for sightseeing. And yeah, that sounds good. So is that before the meditation and green tea, or in the middle, after? What? Help me. Come on.
Anytime.
Oh.
Anytime. Fantastic. And Japan, of course, is a wonderful country to drink tea.
For work or do some sports.
Excellent. Good. Thank you. We're going to come back to Ariel because she touched on, so she mentioned, she said, she spoke about, she told us, she touched on, nice and phrasal verb there, touched on meditation. Do you meditate?
Yes, sometimes.
And how often is sometimes?
Mostly when I'm feeling stressed, which isn't too often.
So you could treat your brother, and I'm not telling him that you should feed him dog biscuits. I'm just saying you could do what he said, which is take him to the cinema, to the movies, the theatre, to the park, buy him a Coca-Cola. Right, delighted. You're at the back. You're a native English speaker, I think. What would your advice be to the people here?
Sorry?
What would your advice be for the question on the board?
I don't like my brother. What should I do? And so what's the question? What should I do?
Yeah.
I don't like my brother. What should I do? I should find a way to love him more deeply.
Huh. We're getting deep now. Do you think this is it a reflection on my brother that I don't like him, or a reflection on me?
You. His reflection on you.
Wrong answer. It's him. Right.
Okay.
What are the tell me one advantage, one good thing about being an only child.
You don't have to have noisy siblings. So you could just sit in your room.
Yes. Good. You can sit in your room without being disturbed. Fantastic.